First, hi everybody. I think you all received our 2 episodes about the breathing exercise. And you already follow up that. Do continue regularly, you will get benefit. Today we have how we going to punching, how we going to holding hand, how you going to finger closing, punching time, and how we going to punch also. If you punch the wrong way, what's the problem we are going to come, everything we are going to show you. Now I will show you how we are going to hold it. Okay? Okay, ready? This is our hands. First folding is 4 fingers on the top. Second one is folding at the middle. Third one, the thumb finger going to support this 4 finger. This time, no hole inside here. No hole. No hole in here inside. Second is punching method. When you punching time, no make straight standing and punching. The straight standing and punching, you get pain, back pain. And also, when straight standing and punching, you don't get more power. If you, when the punching time, standing position like this way, okay, just a little bit down, position. And hands sitting like this way, straight, and maximum hand in the middle of body here. This is one step. All right. Correct. Yes. See, look slowly. Ready? 1. Yes. 2. Oh. We come into turn round. Yes. 3 and 4. 1. 2. Yes. 3. Yes. 4. Yes. 5 and 6. Like that. Punch. Okay? Good. Here. Hanging back. You're going to punch in. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will see on the classroom how we're going to teaching for student. Okay? Okay. Go ahead. Straight.